you really want to get raw, and if you want me to give you like the real without giving you like the fluffy, like, oh,
Please. Yeah.
okay. The reality is when that happened, it spun me into a major depression. I was very depressed
Mm.
because I believe that such a beautiful, such a good person, like something like that could happen to them. It crushed me. And so in that experience, I had to anchor myself to something. And so I've always grown up with religion. I've always grown up with God. I grew up Muslim, by the way. And so I've always had that foundation. But when that happened, I had to really, really go within and search and try to anchor to something because I was like, this can't be right. Like
Mm.
if like this doesn't seem right to me.
Mm.
So in that grasping to try to reconnect really strongly with God to understand, I also went into meditation in order to allow myself peace of mind. I had to calm
Mm.
and really center. And in that, it completely modified the person that I am today. Absolutely. And that was 100% the catalyst for it.
Um, condolences and thank you for sharing.
Thank you. We're,
Um,
we're, we're going crazy now. See that?
yeah, yeah. The phone's like, I can't handle it, it's too heavy. Oh man. So I'll wait till you. I'll make sure you're good.
Okay. Let me get this situated here.
Uh,
Yeah, even the
now,
like, ooh, that was heavy.
no, yeah, the phone's like, quit playing, girl. So now, I've dealt with loss too throughout life. Um, Not like to that extent, at that age and that close. But like I was just talking about this the other day. Actually, it was supposed to be an event we was going to today. They rescheduled because I guess because of the snowstorm. Dealing about grief though, how you deal with grief. Do you think the meditation process was part of your grief journey? How you dealt with it?
Yes, because uh I definitely closed myself off
Mm,
um in that process, and that to a certain extent became unhealthy. Because I feel like there's a certain level of connection that's important for every human being. And
mm,
because um, I was so hurt by the process, um, I just naturally went inward. And then I had to find something that would allow me to relieve my mind, if that made
right,
sense.
right.
And so that's really how I found meditation. It was just to, regulate my nervous system
Mm,
and back in my body. And so when I was able to do that, um, and then I was able to come out of my depression, I really sought benefit in meditation. And still to this day, I meditate every day, even if it's 5 minutes. I'll do
mm,
five meditation. Sometimes I'll do 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be long and excessive, but it
right.
really trains the nervous system. It regulates the nervous system and it prefaces you for how you're going to go about your day. So I always try to get up a little bit earlier so that I can ensure I get my meditation in because
Mm-hmm,
that means the difference between how we react if there's an unfortunate circumstance. So you have like a tire blowout, right? Like without the meditation, it's like, but with it, you start with a regulated nervous system. So
mm,
if there's something that
mm,
happens, okay, you know, we'll
mm.
figure this out. There's already a center there. You're already grounded somewhat. So, and that's just life, right?
Yeah, yeah.
A grounded center changes the game when you start your day and go about your day. So,
Hanifa's done a lot in life. What is she most proud of?
um, I'm most proud of, it's gonna sound crazy, but I'm most proud of my daughter. And the reason
Mm,
why is because I have grappled with a level of being a perfectionist and trying to have control over not other people, but my own circumstances. And
Mhm.
so a part of that patience that I spoke of in the beginning and having patience with our children and allowing them their own process. Once I realized, like, I have to let up and have faith that, I gave her the foundation as I see her
Mhm.
grow into like a beautiful adult. I'm just so impressed. I'm like, I love this girl. She's
Right,
so,
right.
I'm so proud of her. I don't know. I love her.
No, I love that. I
She has a
love that.
beautiful heart. And she's very smart. So I'm just proud of her.
What trajectory is she on, professional wise?
Yeah, so she goes to the Pima Medical Institute. So she's studying veterinarian science. She wants to be a veterinarian. She's always said it from the time that she was a little girl. I mean, Dr. Doolittle, this girl's had
What?
African ring, Indian ringnecks, hamsters, snakes, which is crazy, like like crazy stuff that I just was like, this is insane. But she's
Oh.
always made me, I want to help animals. I want to make, help animals. Here she is 19 and she's still on the path, which is
Mm.
great because even I changed my path, right? But
Mhm.
she's consistent. I'm like, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So I'm happy for her.
What year is she?
This is her second year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, I gotta introduce you to and her to Patients Are Waiting. It's a nonprofit focused on increasing diversity in medicine. Um,
Oh,
so
okay.
I think she need to tap in with them like ASAP. I'll share that with you.
Oh, thank you.
Forefront. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A few more questions and we're gonna wrap up. I know you got a lot of things to do, but it's early where you at, so the sun's still
It is
hot.
early here.
Um,
I'm actually at the commercial real estate conference. That's why I'm in this area.
right,
I just
right.
had to find an area that had the least amount of traffic so I could get back
Nah,
out there.
it looks
Always
good.
working.
It's
And
working. It's working. What's something you learned from failure that success couldn't teach you?
what I learned from failure, which is beautiful, is everything that I don't want. So in failure, you learn contrast. Sometimes it helps you to clarify what you really do want.